Now the question is, why should we study this probability? That means uses of probability. Okay, so that is the most important use is to find characteristics of a large group by using small part of the group. That means if you have to find out characteristics for any class, okay, you can do it by using small part of that class. Means you take the probability of this small group and you can conclude for this large group. Say for an example, during election an exit poll is taken. This involves asking the people whom they have voted for when they come out after voting at the centers. Okay. This gives an idea of chance of winning of each candidate and predictions are made based on it accordingly. Who is going to win? Okay. Now, second use is meteorological department. Meteorological department means who predicts weather, or who that department who forecast weather. Predicts weather by observing trends from the data over many years in the past. Means they take data for many years, then based on that previous data they predict that probability of weather forecast. Okay. Next, let's come to the exercise 5.3. Question number 1, it says that list the outcomes you see in this experiment. First one is a spinning wheel. Spinning wheel and a pointer is on this wheel. You have to find that possible outcomes. What are the outcomes? That means this point this point will face which letter. So what are the possible outcomes? A, B, C and D. This A I have already written. So the possible outcome is A, B, C, D. Question number B says tossing two coins together. Okay, tossing two coins together. Now when we toss one coin, what are the possible outcomes? Head and tail. When two coins, so say this is first coin and this is second coin. Okay. It may happen that it is head and this is tail, or this is tail, this is head, or it may happen both are having tail or both are having head. So what are the possible outcomes? These are the possible outcomes. Okay. Next, question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number, not a prime number. So first let's see what are the outcomes we get when we toss a die. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the possible outcomes that we get when we throw a die. So first is a prime number. What are the prime number among these number? 2, 3 and 5. 1 is not a prime number. Okay, it's a special number, all of you know. So how many prime number, or what are the possible outcomes? As it is, that is not a prime number. 2, 3 and 5. And second question, second part of this question, not a prime number. So if you leave 2, 3, 5, rest are not prime number. So 1, 4, 6. These are the outcomes you get when you throw a die. That is the outcomes that are not a prime, that are prime number, and these are not a prime number. Okay. Next is question number 3. B. Probability of getting an S from well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Okay. So all of you must have seen cards. How many cards are there? 52. If you look these cards carefully, there are two colors. One is red and one is black. That means half of the cards are red in color and half of the cards are black in color. So if you divide 52 by 2, so this is 26, 26. That means 26 red cards, 26 black cards. Among this 26, there are two shapes. One is heart shape, another one is diamond shape. Okay, and this black color cards, this is spade and club. So this is 13 heart, 13 diamond shaped card, 13 spade and 13 club. So S means that is having 1 on the card. Okay, and this all heart, diamond and spade, club, all of them are having 1 card, that is 1 card that is written 1. So how many total? S 4. Okay, so we have